Okay, this is probably the most exciting part of a project. So we go from all of this paper planning to then sort of like things we don't quite understand, like wires in the walls and the ceilings and plumbing pipes, and now cabinets arrive. And this is the part where people get super excited and say, hey, I know the refrigerator's here and the freezer's here, but like what would it take to put a wine fridge over there? Or this island is beautiful and I know we're supposed to paint this island, but I really want to stain it. What kind of wood do we use? What's going on here? And so as we walk through this space, it's totally normal and super fun for every client to say, oh, I see this, can we do that? And what I want to share with you is there are implications to making these changes, even though they're great changes. So let's say you had plugs in the wall here. By code, you have to have plugs, but let's say you wanted to move these plugs to under the cabinets. That would be some cutting of sheetrock, some extension of wires or running new wires. That's what would need to happen. Now, if we get a little bit more dramatic, what if we say, oh, I know we don't have a sink in the island, but I really want a prep sink over in that island. What needs to happen, builder? Builder says, we need to get a sewer line in there, so we need to cut your foundation to put a new sewer line in. We need to get actually a little bit more electrical. We need to cut the countertop in a certain place, so we've added costs with plumbing, electrical, countertops. We need to buy a new sink. We're gonna buy a new fixture, and we're looking at $10,000 to $15,000 more, just like that. When we're going through the fun part, we all have a responsibility to communicate really, really well with each other. I know you love this edge. We actually planned on a really simple edge, which is this guy here. And for us to go with a more complicated edge on the countertop, it is X amount of money. Is this something you want us to look into and give you pricing on? What do you think, right? And there's a whole process that we go through for modifications. We understand why something changed. We get the information compiled. We then communicate that information and we formalize it for all of these conversations. So it's really not just like, oh, that's easy, no problem. No problem at all. The reality is there is a cost structure to this and we want to talk to you about it. Other fun examples. Let's say you have a tile backsplash and now you want all slab on the backsplash. Definitely a cost implication on that. Let's say the window jambs were wrapped in sheetrock originally. Well, no, I really want my slab to wrap inside the window jambs. There's a cost implication. Oh, the dishwasher is great here. I actually want 2 dishwashers now. I would really, really love to have an extra dishwasher here because, my 5 kids are running around and nobody unloads the dishwasher and I just want to rotate things. Okay, so you can see where when we go into rooms, these are conversations and our responsibility as builders and as homeowners is, again, to formalize all of this. And the homeowner makes the final decision. Builder organizes the information, presents the information, asks the owner, hey, would you like to move forward on this? And the owner says, yay or nay. I'm gonna keep on walking here. So vent hood. Let's just say this was a simple wood vent hood up here. Well, wait, what if it wants to be plaster? Or wait, even better. What if it wants to be a copper metal? We just went from $5,000 to $30,000, just like that. Or I have a Sub-Zero Wolf range right here. But you know what? I was in Paris and I was thinking maybe we could go with a LeConte range. So we just doubled, tripled, quadrupled the budget right here, right in this little space. So again, these are fun times for homeowners, and it is fully expected to get excited about these new opportunities. The thing here is we want to make sure that we are listening for it. We are communicating what that looks like, and homeowners understand the money, the time, and the people, and the results involved in all of this.